All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars. Lots of good stuff going on with Dogelon. The coin is up right now in the last 7 days, about 5 or 6%. We're going to dig into that. Dogelon Mars has a brand new website. Fantastic. We're going to talk about that a little bit. And there's been a whale sighting, a mysterious whale sighting of buying over $1 million of Dogelon Mars. We're going to dig into that. Also on this episode, we're going to talk about a hacker that actually hacked in and got $120 million in cryptocurrency. We're going to jump into that a little bit. And then we're also going to look at some of the numbers. We're also going to look at some of the cryptocurrencies on the top 100 discount buys right now. There's a lot of things that are really over 20% down, so we want to kind of dig into that a little bit, just so you can put on your radar coins that maybe are down so much that if you did want to get in, some people call it buying the dip, some call it discount buys. El Salvador always buys the discount buy when it's down. They keep buying Bitcoin and Bitcoin over and over again, so we're going to talk about that. So with that, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, what to look for when things are up, down, all kinds of good stuff. So with that, let's head over to Dogelon Mars. Right over here at Coin Market, take a look. You see all these reds everywhere. Down 13%, down 13%, down 10%, down 16%, down 12%, down 9%. The only one that's green is Dogelon Mars. It's actually up 7% in the last 7 days. Right now, this coin is trading at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and a 13.91. A lot of good stuff that's going on with Dogelon Mars. Taking a look in the last 7 days, Dogelon was over here, and it kind of went down a little bit and kind of went real high here, going up, up, up. Now it's coming back down a little bit. It's down 7% in the last 24 hours. But there's a lot of new updates and a lot of improvements going on. So what is going on with Dogelon? All right, over at the new website, take a look at the facelift. Dogelon Mars, we got a brand new website here. We've got the crypto.com, Uniswap, KuCoins, OKEX. Says, I am Dogelon Mars, join me and together we will reach the stars. So the big thing, we're going to talk about this because we want to see this on the Twitter, but it says a quick start guide. Well, first you need to create a MetaMask wallet. Create a MetaMask wallet using either a desktop computer, ISO, Android, mobile device that can allow you to buy, sell, send, and receive Elon. 2, send your ETH, your Ethereum, to your wallet. You can buy Ethereum directly from MetaMask, or you can transfer it to MetaMask wallet from exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, etc. Number 3, connect your wallet. Access your wallet by collecting and connect to the wallet and select MetaMask. Swap Ethereum for Elon. You can start swapping as soon as you have Ethereum available. Press to select a token, enter the token address, or search for it on the token list. That easy. Take a look over here at the Twitter. And it says right here what we were just talking about. Another week, another step closer to reclaiming the mantle of the grand Imperator of Mars. The Imperator of Mars. Check out all the strides we have made in this weekly roundup. And I kind of just went over that. But it says Dogelon Mars Weekly Roundup. Greeting Martians and welcome to the 3rd issue of Dogelon Mars Roundup. This week of November 26th was eventful for Elon. A couple other things. Rain is when Earth is television. It has properties of making color darker. Model T is a room with a lock inside. A key is turned to free the world for movements so quick. And here's the funny thing that Dogelon Mars says. Consider the probability that we may exist in a simulation where we are actively developing simulations. Convince me that I'm probably an NFT. Oh gosh, Dogelon. Now here's the big thing. Take a look at this. A mysterious whale buys 816 billion of Dogelon Mars, worth $1.2 million. So there's a mysterious whale that basically made a gigantic purchase. It says mysterious whale buys 816 billion Dogelon Mars, worth $1.2 million. And an unidentified Dogelon Elon whale purchase a whopping 816 billion tokens, worth a staggering $1.2 million. So yeah, we got whales out there getting some serious Dogelon Mars. So you got your weekly roundup going on right there. You got Dogelon Mars, whales are buying it. We're going to come back to that price prediction a little bit later in the video. All kinds of good stuff going on with Dogelon Mars. Now let's go ahead and jump over to this hacker that hacked cryptocurrency like over 120 million. And it says it right here, a hacker steals 120 million from Badger's DeFi platform. It says the hacker has stolen an estimated $120 million worth of Bitcoin, Ethereum assets from the Badger decentralized finance platform that allows users to borrow, loan on cryptocurrency. Badger has confirmed that the hack in a statement published on Twitter earlier today, freezing its platform while the staff investigates the breach. You know, the blockchain analyst firm PeckShield, which is the first to notice the heist, claims that the hacker managed to steal 2,100 Bitcoins and 151 Ethereums from Badger's users' accounts before the company shut the system down. The sum estimated at around 120 million at the time of the heist, the security firm said on Twitter. Now, PeckShield said that one user alone lost 900 Bitcoins, roughly $50 million. Says Badger has not returned requests for comments so far. The records or any other news outlet that has confirmed these theories. You know, typical attackers on cryptocurrency platform users involve gaining access to employees' accounts, you know, with a bug in the platform trading protocols rather than the platform user interface. So far, the Badger incident currently ranks as the third largest heist of cryptocurrency platform this year, behind Pala Network and Cream Finance. Take a look here. So Badger's 120 million. You know, obviously the top heist was 600 million. Cream Finance was 130 million, 94, 81. Just a lot going on with the cryptocurrency. And we'll get back to more on this. So yeah, we got hackers stealing 120 million of cryptocurrency. They're looking into it right now. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Remember, all our information is for educational purposes only. Remember, cut that last little part out. All right, let's go ahead and head back over to Dogelon Mars, talk about a price prediction, and then let's look at some of these discount buys or these buying the dips. There's a lot of them going on. So yeah, last thing, again, Mystery Whale, $816 billion of Dogelon Mars worth 1.2 million was bought. Clicking holders, clicking 3 months. All right, I want to show you the holders. Again, September 7th, there were 72,000 holders of the Dogelon Mars. Let's go ahead and go December 2nd, and it's all the way at 117,000. So this is went from 72 to 117. So what is that, 27 and 17? It's went up 55,000, and it was 72. So that's probably about a 70% increase. So in the last 90 days, there's been a 65 to 70% increase in the holders of Dogelon Mars, and there's mysterious whales buying all kinds of over $1 million of Dogelon Mars right now. So with that being said, you can clearly see that this is on the up right now. So again, our price prediction here, Dogelon is the only thing right here that's up right this second. You know, I still think by the end of the first quarter, they're going to crush one of these zeros. There's 5 zeros. I think it's going to be 4. Remember, all the information is for educational purposes only. Now let's talk about buying the dip or discount buys. Take a look on this screen here. Everything is red. So if you're looking at discount buys, you're looking for things at 15 to 20%. Then you want to research that coin if this is something that you may want to look into. So let's look at 15 to 20%. So Bora right here at 111 is down 21%. You may want to check that out. It's 21% down in the last 7 days. It's traded at $1. So you may want to check that out. Liverpeer LPT is down 32% right this second. So there's another one traded at $44. All right, over at the top 100 and working our way to number 1. Well, Anchor right here, Anchor cryptocurrency is down 37% in the last 7 days. It's trading at 12 cents. This coin went all the way up to 20 cents a week ago. So take a look at Anchor, down 37% right this second. Could be a gigantic discount buy. Horizon is down 20%. ZEN, you know, take a look at that, number 93. Right above it, Audius is down 17%. IMX is down 26% in the last 7 days. Look at, there's one little green one right there. VGX is actually up. 1 inch is down 19%. Mina is down 19%. Number 87. AR is down 18%, trading at $52.77. May want to put that on your actual radar. BAT is down 18%. CRV, this coin is down 20% right now, traded at $4.21. Cardano is down 21% at number 67. There's just a lot of red here, guys. This is what, if you're an investor and you're looking for buys, when the market is up, I don't know if you want to put your money in. You're probably looking for something like this, but then you got to figure out, if there's 20 of them that you like, what are the 1 or 2 or 3 that you really like? Now, again, all our information is for educational purposes only. Touch base with a financial advisor. Again, we're just sharing information, educational purposes, but I am pointing out, look at the coins and the discounts right now. Buy in the dip or discount buy, however you want to look at it. LRC down 23% at number 53, traded at $2.27. Helium token is down 21% right now, traded at $33. There's a lot of movement going down on this one. Definitely check that out. Gala is down 27% at number 46. The graph is down 22%. This is all in the last 7 days too, everybody. I'm not doing 24 hours. Filecoin is down 19% at number 34. Elrod is down 17% at number 31. Decentraland is down 20%. Mana, there could be a lot of people like Mana. Take a look at that. Do your research. Do your homework. I'm doing the first surface of pointing them out to you. Then you got to go. Now, Matic, take a look. Matic's actually up 23%. So if you like to get a cryptocurrency when it's up, there you go. If you're looking for it when it's down, there's a whole slew of them right now. Here's another one that's up. Luna is up 40%. So there are some. Shiba Inu is right there at a 0.5% up. And Bitcoin number 1 is traded at 52,000. So then we did the top 100 talking about coins that could be in a buy in the dip or a discount buy. All kinds of good things. Dogelon Mars has a new website. There's mysterious whales buying over $1 million of coins. You know, billions and billions, but I mean literally $1.2 million of real money of Dogelon Mars. All kinds of good stuff going on. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. We share a video every single day at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. Saturdays and Sundays is around 3 to 4 o'clock. Sometimes we'll bring you a bonus video around 7, 8 o'clock at night, Monday through Fridays. Don't forget to click right here so you see our most recent video. Share this with your friends. And hey, everybody on Saturday, have a fantastic day.